Before we get started, tell me one thing. How did you like the video? I'm pretty sure you enjoyed it. This style of content is going viral right now, and YouTube is heavily promoting fresh, creative ideas like these. I know what you're thinking. Creating videos like this must be difficult, time-consuming, and expensive. Most people believe you need premium software, paid subscriptions, or hundreds of dollars to achieve this quality, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Just like always, I'll show you the entire process using completely free AI tools. Now, let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know one of the biggest challenges for most creators is writing the perfect prompt. Many people don't know what to write or how to structure it to get high-quality results. But don't worry, I've already done all the hard work for you. I've created a powerful, ready-to-use prompt, and you'll find it in the video description. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and let AI do the rest. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports my work and motivates me to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials. Now here's the best part. The moment you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will automatically generate everything you need to create a viral paper-cut animation video. This single prompt includes 15 highly detailed paper-cut animation image prompts, 15 matching image-to-video prompts for every scene, a consistent character design across all 15 images, different actions, emotions, and cinematic scenes, professional prompt structure optimized for AI image and video generators. Everything is generated in the correct order, so you don't have to spend hours writing prompts manually. Remember, the quality of your results depends on the quality of your prompt. A weak prompt creates weak images, poor animations, and average-looking videos. But a professional prompt produces cinematic visuals, consistent characters, and content that has the potential to go viral. So instead of wasting your time experimenting with random prompts, use this proven prompt, follow each step in this tutorial, and focus on creating amazing content. Now go ahead, copy the prompt from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and let's move on to the next step of creating our viral paper-cut animation video. Now let's move over to Flow AI and take a look at the tool we'll be using to generate our paper-cut animation images. The main reason I chose Flow AI is because it's powerful, beginner-friendly, and completely free to use. Simply sign in with your Gmail account and you're ready to go. No complicated setup or technical knowledge required. Once you log in, you'll get access to Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, both of which work amazingly well for generating high-quality paper-cut animation images. And yes, the best part is that you can use these features completely free without paying for any expensive subscription. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the paper-cut animation prompt we generated in the previous step. As you can see, ChatGPT has already created 15 highly detailed image prompts, each with a unique scene, action, and emotion while keeping the same character, the same outfit, and the exact same paper-cut animation style throughout the entire sequence. Now simply copy image prompt 1, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Within a few moments, Flow AI will create a stunning paper-cut animation image featuring realistic layered paper textures, thick paper edges, handcrafted details, soft shadows, vibrant colors, and a premium 3D paper sculpture look. After that, repeat the exact same process for image prompt 2 all the way to image prompt 15. Just copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and generate your images one by one. In just a few minutes, you'll have all 15 cinematic paper-cut animation images ready with perfectly consistent character design and professional quality results. When you see the final output, you'll honestly be surprised. The images look incredibly detailed, the character stays consistent across every scene, and every image is perfectly optimized for creating a viral paper-cut animation video. This entire workflow saves you hours of writing prompts manually while giving you premium quality results completely free. Now that all our images are ready, let's move on to the next step and turn these images into smooth, cinematic paper-cut animation videos. Now let's move to the Flow AI video generation section and turn our paper-cut animation images into stunning cinematic videos. I know many of you are thinking, Flow AI isn't completely free. And yes, that's true. But here's what most people don't know. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. Right now, you receive around 50 free credits daily, and with those credits, you can easily generate around 5 high-quality AI videos every day. For beginners who are creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, That's more than enough to stay consistent. Now here's a smart trick that many creators use. Once your daily credits are finished, simply log in with another Gmail account and you'll receive another set of free credits. That means one Gmail account can generate around 5 videos per day, and if you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can create even more videos without spending any money. Now make sure you select the VO 3.1 Lite model. This is the model I personally recommend because it delivers incredible cinematic quality while using only around 10 credits per video. The process is very simple. Upload image 1 that we generated in the previous step, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt 1. Paste that prompt into Flow AI, click Generate, and let AI do the rest. Repeat the exact same process for all 15 images. Simply upload image 2 with video prompt 2, image 3 with video prompt 3, and continue this workflow until image 15. Since every video prompt was created specifically for its matching image, you'll get smooth animations with consistent characters and cinematic motion throughout the entire video. Within just a minute, Flow AI transforms your paper-cut animation images into beautiful animated scenes with realistic movement, smooth camera motions, natural environmental sound effects, immersive background atmosphere, premium quality animation, and incredibly detailed cinematic visuals. The final results look like they were created by a professional animation studio, yet the entire workflow is powered by AI. I've personally tested this workflow multiple times, and every output looked amazing. That's exactly why so many creators are using AI tools like this to create viral content consistently. You no longer need expensive editing software, advanced animation skills, or a professional production team. Today, anyone can create high-quality cinematic paper-cut animation videos with the help of AI. Remember, consistency is always more important than perfection. Keep experimenting with new characters, different stories, and fresh paper-cut animation prompts. The more videos you create, the better your results will become. All it takes is one viral video to completely transform your channel. So don't overthink it. Start creating, keep uploading, keep learning, and stay consistent. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Q-Tech Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can also learn how to create viral paper-cut animation videos completely free using AI. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy creating!